I'm talking to you. Yes, you. All right. So I've been on a journey for about 5 years now, trying to figure out how to wholesale deals, how to sell a bunch, how to do this real estate stuff at a young age. And I finally did something about it. I've always said, I'm not really into selling stuff or whatever. Today I'm gonna sell you something. Take out your wallets right now and put your, no, just kidding. All right, so really, no, for real. So my name is Raul. I've flipped about 350 properties wholesale. And my journey started about 5 years ago. I was 20, sitting in my mom's house, not in the garage, but in my room in my mom's house. And I just started this wholesale company. It wasn't really a company, it was just me. And I was broke. Obviously I was 20 years old, 21 years old. I was in school. I had just messed up my shoulder and I was in surgery. I wanted to figure out how I can make money and buy rental properties, how I can fix and flip homes, how I can make money and do it myself. And I came across a podcast and I learned how to make $5,000 in 30 days wholesaling homes. So what have I done? I've created my version. So we host meetups here in South Florida. This is actually my office. We host meetups in South Florida, and a lot of people ask me, yeah, but okay, what do I do? I understand wholesale. I understand it, but what do I do? What do I do? So I organized my thoughts on this mind map here, and it's gonna unorganize, but check this out. So this is the mind map right here. Let me see if it looks good. And basically what I did is under $500 budget to get a deal, over $500 budget, 5K in 30 days. And look, these little buttons, if you click, let me see if you can see good. Yeah, if you click, you can see get a list. Boom, I got videos for that. Skip tracer list, boom, I got websites, boom. I got all that, look, and then here, if you wanna do this, boom, 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 boom. I got our spreadsheets of how we analyze deals. I have websites we use. I have our resources. How to get deals cold calling, how to get deals sending mail, how to get deals door knocking, anything. If you have less than $500, it should not be an excuse. Really shouldn't. But anyways, I'm doing all this. Like, I'm gonna send you our spreadsheets. You'll have access to all that per marketing. So cold calling, you'll have a breakdown. So not RVMs, direct mail, you have a breakdown. Band designs, you'll have a breakdown. Cold calling, you have a breakdown. Exactly how we do it. The spreadsheets we use, the formulas we use, our deal analyzer sheet, contracts. I got cheat sheets there and follow-up, all this kind of stuff. So guys, my course, no one else's course is gonna solve your problems, right? But if you do want an organized format of how to get deals, how to make 5K in 30 days, doesn't matter what your budget is, this course is good. And I'm gonna do this all for 97 bucks, all right? 97 smackarooskies. If you don't have $97 to invest in your future, then good luck, right? There's a lot of value built in there. I know you guys probably don't know me, or if you've seen my stuff on YouTube, or if you've met me or something, but anyways, I really hope that whether it's my course or anybody else's or anything you do, you guys just take action. That's all I really care about. Take action, learn and execute. Do two things, learn and execute, and don't wait so long in that gap. Learn and execute, try to do it the same day. Anyways, it's under Raul's 5kplan.com. I'm gonna put a link, raul's5kplan.com. It's a simple landing page, and then it'll give you access to the mind map, and you'll have it forever. And I do want to say that I am going to be updating it. That's the beautiful thing about this mind map. I can keep adding stuff, and you guys will just get the updates for free. So I'm planning to do some kind of like renovations or additions to the course next week about the buyer side, how to find buyers, how to talk to them. And we have a bunch of videos that aren't on my YouTube channel, never before seen on this thing. So I don't know, I'm pumped about it. It took me a bunch of hours to do it, and I came up with the idea like at 2 in the morning and I did it. I've only sold a few, but I haven't really marketed it yet. So this is the first thing. Anyways, guys, good luck. I'm sorry I'm walking around, I get excited. Anyways, guys, good luck. Kill it. Raul's5kplan.com if you're interested. I'll put the link below. Check it out. Peace.